the complexity and variety of products continues to increase. Production companies need to be able to produce more flexibly and at the cost of mass production. Flanders Make is therefore developing a testing ground to help companies evolve into agile and people-oriented organizations. The Operator Support 4.0 Lab. We work on technologies that allow people and machine to work together smartly. Collaborative robots are programmed via speech recognition or demonstration. This makes them easily functionable when producing small series. High-tech measuring equipment helps to improve the distribution of tasks between humans and robots. This way, the operator receives the maximum amount of support. Robots are getting smarter because they are equipped with increasingly more sensors. This allows them to recognize parts. A robot mounted on an autonomous vehicle provides the operator with additional assistance during logistical tasks. The division of tasks between man and machine focuses on both of their strengths. This is an important basic principle of Industry 4.0. Are you interested in our testing ground? Contact us.